Hi, my name is Dean, and on behalf of ExpertVillage.com, in this clip we're going to be talking about zooming the vehicle. That is a process that once the new oil has been put back in the engine, that we start the engine and we check the filter to make sure that it is on secure and it's not leaking. As you know, we did not lower the vehicle yet, so that we can still get underneath the vehicle and do this. I'm going to start the vehicle. I'm going to get underneath the vehicle now and look at the oil filter and make sure that it doesn't have any leaks, just to make sure that we have put it on properly and that there's no issues with it. Everything looks good. We can shut the vehicle off.